Moon-orbiting spacecraft belonging to NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) have both snapped photos of Japan's ruined lunar lander Resilience, following its catastrophic hard landing earlier this month. Some of the images, the first to visually confirm the spacecraft's fate, show pieces of debris scattered across the surrounding area. The Resilience lunar lander, made and operated by the Japanese company Space, was scheduled to land in the Mare Frigoris, or Sea of Cold, region of the Moon's northern hemisphere on June 5th. The lander was carrying a range of scientific experiments, as well as Europe's first-ever lunar rover, named Tenacious, which was set to deploy an art piece known as the Moon House on the lunar surface. However, operators lost contact with Resilience around 100 seconds before its scheduled touchdown. It then experienced a hard landing that likely tore the spacecraft apart and led to the loss of all of its payloads. On June 11th, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, snapped the first satellite photos of the ruined lander. By comparing the new images with photos taken before the crash, see above, it's clear that the impact left behind a dark smudge on the lunar surface. The mark is likely regolith, the layer of dust and rock that blankets the lunar bedrock that was displaced by the impact, according to the LRO website. On June 16th, ISRO Chandrayaan-2 orbiter snapped additional photos of the crash site, showing the area in much greater detail, see below. Subsequent analysis of the photos revealed pieces of debris scattered around the crash site. Astronomy enthusiast Shanmuga Subramanian identified at least 12 different pieces of debris and shared images of them on the social platform X. However, there was no indication as to how far apart these pieces were. Telemetry data from Resilience's final moments suggest the lander's laser rangefinder experienced delays while measuring the probe's distance to the lunar surface, Live Science's sister site Space.com previously reported. As a result, the lander was unable to decelerate sufficiently to reach the required speed for the planned lunar landing, as Space officials wrote at the time. In a news conference on Tuesday, June 24th, Space finally confirmed that the laser rangefinder was at fault.